Using a Torx bit, want to go ahead and remove this screw and this screw here. And grab the unit. And go ahead and wiggle this out. So once we get the unit loose, there are actually two connectors right here. It's going to be easier to get to. Just press in on the spring tabs, wiggle the connector, and pull them up and away from the sensor. Okay, get one connector out and move on to the second one. And pop that clip out. Go ahead and slide the unit out. Let's go ahead and line the unit up inside. If you want to, you can install the unit and then connect your connectors. That's what we're going to do. With both of those screws snug, and now take the small connector, push that up and line it up with the top. And we're just going to press those in. Get the small one click into place. Get the large connector lined up and click it in.